This collard green area is starting to get out of hand here. All of these seeds that's growing. So I need to come on here and cut these seeds off. Collect these seeds that I'm gonna have for a long time. Look at all of those collard green seeds. Okay, they leaning and everything. So I'm gonna cut the tops off with the seeds, and hopefully I still have these beautiful collard greens to continue to grow this summer without the bugs eating them up. Okay, let me get busy collecting all of these wonderful collard green seeds that God has provided for me. Look at that, those pods look big. I'm gonna have a lot of seeds inside of them. Yes. Okay, let me get busy. Boy, I have collected a lot so far. Look how many more I have to go. Boy, I have a lot of seeds to collect here. A lot of collard green seeds. Let me get busy cutting these seeds down where the collard green plant can continue to grow up and get bigger leaves. Look at this long branch of seeds I'm cutting off. Yes. I have a lot more collard green seeds to collect here. Look at this. Look at this long branch here. Oh, this one I already cut. Okay. Gotcha, gotcha. Put you in the bag. Let's see about this long branch here. You don't want to cut. Come on. Gotcha. Look at all of those seeds. I am collecting here of collard green seeds. Yes. Let's see something. Let's open up one. Let's see. Look at all of those seeds on there. Look at all of those seeds in there. Look at all of those seeds. You see them? Look at that. Now I'm going to put them in my bag that I'm collecting the seeds in and let them, they're green now, but I'm going to let them dry out, turn brown, and then I can open up all of these seeds and have a bunch of seeds in that bag. Or I can go here and just drop them back into the garden bed, and hopefully we have some more collard greens to grow. Look at that, look at that. Grow your own food, people. Grow your own food. I have trimmed down the collard green branches over here real good. Second round of collard greens, come on and grow back. Let's see, one more piece here I need to pull out that got ate up a little bit. Yeah, I got room in here to breathe now. All of the dead ones are gone. Ate up ones are gone. So come on back and grow some more. Got some onion in here with you. Come on, onion. Keep the pests away. Try to keep the pests away, please. And look over here. I have a bag full of collard green seeds. Look at all of those seeds. Now I gotta let them turn brown, and then I can be able to go back and open up those pods and have a large bag full of collard green seeds to be able to plant next season.